Hey everyone. So I have a 16 by 20 and I've already done my edges with black with no silicone in it. And I want to do, I think I'm going to do some flip cups. Since we've been having pretty good luck with those. Let's see, we're probably going to need, I'm going to do 6 small ones. Yeah, we'll do 6. I'm going to move this back. I have a mess. I have a mess already. Black is messy. Okay. So for this color palette, I wanted to kind of keep it on the pinkish, reddish, corally side. So I'm going to be using Lucas Mauve. And let's see, I have Soho Magenta and Rose Madder. And I do need a lighter pink. This is a Royal Fuchsia. I'm still using up some paints, so bear with me. And I also have, that's the magenta, so I should use that up before I use the other one. And for our highlight color, I'm going to go ahead and use gold. And of course we'll be using some black. And maybe some white. We're going to have to throw some white in there to break some stuff up. Okay, so let me spray my cups. I did something to my thumb the other day and it is absolutely killing me, and I think it's from those darn push pins. I was having trouble getting them out of paintings while I was varnishing. So this is what I use for the spraying of the cups, and that's the only thing I use it for. I do not use it to create cells. However, you can, but I don't. I use it just to release paint. Okay. So I know this is the mauve. Let me double check. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, that's the mauve. Okay. I had to double check because it could have been Purple Lake too, which I love Purple Lake. And that's Anita's Royal Fuchsia. And that's Soho Magenta. This is our Rose Madder and white and black. That's that one. Okay. Black. I couldn't find my black. That's why I like the clear bottles better. But I have to take what I can shove it in when I'm mixing paint. Okay, so I'm going to start with black because I need the black on the bottom to push down through the color, and we're going to be putting it in between too. The only time I'm going to use white, I think, is when I switch up with the gold. Oh, do I want to use white? Okay, so let's start with the magenta. I get to empty some more containers today. I did. I washed all my cups out the other day and I had like 20 something, and I was like, I am never going to get that far behind with paint again. I promised myself I'm going to get those darn bottles and I'm going to fill those darn bottles. But there's going to come a time when I'm going to switch out a color in a bottle and I have to clean the bottles, and that's not any fun at all. Alright, so let's go with the mauve next. Okay. And then we're going to go with, oh, do I want to put a touch of black in there? Let me just do one touch of black, because I'm going to set the gold on top of it. I would use silver, but I don't have very good luck with silver at all. Okay. I just made this one this morning, so I know it's shook up already. We may pull some orange from this gold mixing with these reds, so. All right, now I'll put the little drop of white on top. My fingers aren't working. My thumb's killing me. I'm pathetic. But it is pretty here today. The sun's out. It's like 78 degrees. I could go with this every day. Okay. So let's go with the rose madder next. I'm laying it right on top of the white. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the fuchsia. That's very close to that magenta, isn't it? It sure is. All right, let me layer a little black in there. So we're not done yet. I just hope I'm not going to regret that white. All right, let's put some more gold in. Okay, and then I'm going to go with the mauve again because it's dark. Let me shake that again. Okay, one more bright one. I guess we'll have to go magenta. Okay, and a shot of black down. I think we're good. Let me get all these out of the way. I have lots of room now. My containers are all emptied. It's so much nicer. Okay, let me set these here. canvas back. I'm ready for some hot pink. You ready for some hot pink? I'm ready for some hot pink. I'll do my middle ones first. And I'm a horrible flip cupper. Flipper cupper. Cupper flipper. Oy vey. I can already tell it's going to be beautiful. Shh. Don't tell me any different. I'll cry. It's just so pretty. Okay. See how nice it is with the WD-40. And I see the gold, which I love. I just hope I don't lose it. Oh, I see the white. I'm going to drizzle some of that on there. It's close to the edge. We'll be okay. There we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like this hot spot. All right, let's move it around, see what we got. Besides a lot of paint. I'm not taking any edges yet. I want to move it around first. It's one thing when you watch me, you'll see me jiggle the canvas a lot because I like to try to keep everything together. Try to keep all the paint together. So when I'm working on a corner, it's all flowing evenly. So now I'll bring it back to the middle here. So we have plenty of time to dump paint. But I like to see where everything's going and what I want to get rid of and what I want to keep. So I already see that white spot in the corner that I want to get rid of. So I'm going to head that way first. And then I'm going to come down to this side and get rid of this white edge here. I don't mind that little bit of white in between. I just don't want it on the end. Oh, this pollen's killing my throat today. That corner was kind of boring. I wonder if anything's going to come up through that black. It did everywhere else. Oh yeah, it's coming. I see it there now. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to move it anymore. And a few boring spots. But nothing's ever picture perfect. Well, I shouldn't say that. Once in a while I get one and I just tilt it and I'm like, okay, I'm good, leave it. Not all the time. Not lately. Right now I'm just popping air bubbles. And then I'll come back through and work on certain spots. Needed a little help. Okay, let's see what we got. Just a couple things coming up, not much. Not much at all. That was a paint chunk. Paint chunk. Okay. Yeah, that looks fine. Looks fine. My ends are all covered because I did the black first, so yep. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Share. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Check out my Etsy shop, Christina Welch Art. And also shop with me on Amazon. I have all the supplies that you need listed in my shop. And I do make a small amount of commission on that since I'm an affiliate. But it's great to just go to one place and buy everything that you need. And I've done most of the work for you, so I found the lowest prices I can find as far as quality goes. So check that out. All the links are below in the description box. If you don't have access to the description box, shoot me a message through Facebook and I'll be more than happy to send you that link. So I think that's it for this one, guys. So have yourselves a great day. Love the gold band right there. It's pretty. So make sure you stay tuned, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye now.